Hi everyone, my name is Shayna from WTI. Get ready to laugh with this totally awesome edition of The Wedding Singer. This movie is near and dear to my heart. Whenever I'm feeling down and need a good laugh, this is my go-to. This movie features Drew Barrymore and Adam Sandler, and this is the first of 3 movies they did together. So they have this one, 50 First Dates, and Blended, all my faves. So they really are Hollywood's best movie couple. You could really see their chemistry in this movie. I love the 80s, so I love 80s movies or movies that are set in the 80s. And this one definitely is set in the 80s. And the soundtrack to this movie is one of my faves, and I definitely have it downloaded on my phone to listen to all the time. This totally awesome edition features additional movie footage, an 80s mixtape, and a backstage look at the wedding singer on Broadway, and even more totally rad features. So if you really love the 80s, then this movie is for you, and that's my point of view.